What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to fix DoorDash driver login error. First thing you should do is to go to your App Store or Play Store and check if you have any updates. So I'm gonna search for DoorDash for example, then go down till you find DoorDash driver and make sure that you have no updates. If you have an update, just update the application and try to log in again. Now if you still have the problem, you can simply delete the cache or do like offloading. If you have an Android, all you have to do to delete the cache is to open your settings, then go to apps, then manage apps, and after that search for DoorDash Dasher. You can go to storage and click on clear data and clear the cache. Now if you have an iOS, you can simply go to general settings, then go to storage, then search for DoorDash and click on offload. Then after offloading, click on reinstall again and see if the issue is fixed or not. Now, if you still have the problem, you can simply check the internet connection. If you are using your Wi-Fi, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and try to use your mobile data. Or if you are using your mobile data, you can simply close your mobile data, then try to use your Wi-Fi. And the last solution is to go into the application and try to log in and click on forgot my password. Then go ahead and change your password and see if you can log in or not. You can also uninstall the application and try to reinstall again and see if the issue is fixed or not. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.